After kind of a stormy start to the day on Monday, we managed to see a lot of sun, and it really felt the humidity drop off behind a cold front. Today, that's where we pick things up. We were looking at a day filled with this abundant sunshine, low humidity levels, and a seasonable round of warmth. They start off in the 50s this morning. As first of all, we look at the way we ended up our Monday. Sharon Scudamore here in Rochester sent the picture. A beautiful sunset with just a nice bright orange sky at the tail end of our Monday. And then the skies really remained clear overnight and temperatures really took a nosedive. We were in the 70s last evening. We've fallen to the low 50s right now. Looking southward down Broadway. This is live from our Lewiston auto camera. Not a cloud in the sky and not much of a breeze out there, just a west-southwest breeze, 7 miles per hour. Dew point now has fallen into the 40s to tell you how comfortable it is out there. Crisp, cool setup right now, 52. Air pressure is steady, 29.99 inches of mercury. From Bandle Road, we're looking south right now. A little glimmer of daylight out there at this point. We're beginning to see the early stages of some sunshine. We're going to see a lot of sun throughout the day. So although it is a little on the cool side, maybe unseasonably cool this morning, maybe a little more September-like than would be typical for the second week of August. It is definitely going to be a warmer day by afternoon. Abundant sunshine and that light southwest breeze helping the cause. But 52 is where we start the day in Rochester. Austin back up to the 50s. A few minutes ago it was 48 in Austin to start the day. Mason City 53 and it's 55 now in Rushford. Compared to this time yesterday, it is a whole lot cooler. 18 degrees cooler right now in Rochester, 20 degrees cooler this hour versus this time yesterday in Winona. Mason City 17 degrees cooler. Skies have cleared. We had that cold front move through, generating a few strong storms in our area, large hail and damaging winds in some of the storms. But the big event was that derecho that ripped through Iowa and Illinois and Indiana, producing 80 to 100 mile per hour wind gusts at a line of intense thunderstorms. That was this cold front that has now moved south and eastward of the area, and the storms themselves have kind of fallen apart. High pressure now dominates the weather picture for us today. We get a nice quiet break from active weather, from unsettled weather or really uncomfortable weather. Warm sunshine, but not much humidity today. Mugginess will slowly build in, as will rain chances. A few storms possible tomorrow and Thursday, increasing rain chances, but also increasing humidity Friday into Saturday. 56, the morning commute, bright sunshine, a slight southwest breeze, so a nice tranquil start to our day, and we'll have tons of sun throughout the day. Light southwest wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour, 80 by 3 o'clock overall. High temperatures around 82, which is close to the average, maybe a little bit above that in a couple spots. Sunshine helping us get a lot warmer in a hurry as we go from the morning to afternoon. Almost a 30-degree spread. Temperatures tonight dipping back into the upper 50s under that high pressure. There goes the high out of the east on future track. Pretty quiet situation. Light southwest winds, plenty of sunshine. Tomorrow we'll have at least some sun, but also gathering clouds. A storm system from the west gets a bit closer. Little pieces of energy ahead of it will kick off isolated afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms tomorrow and again on Thursday, but very sparse activity at this point. And then heading into Friday and Saturday as that system gets closer, that will then generate more widespread rain chances. You can see those here on Friday and Saturday. The best chance of rain throughout the week. Maybe a couple of strong storms. Still early to say, but that would be the best chance for something like that Friday to Saturday time frame. And then behind that cold front Saturday, we take a drop in humidity, and by Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week, we're talking highs in the 70s and dew points in the 50s. So crisp, cool, dry weather, and the weekend outlook close to 80 with storm chances through Saturday, but Sunday at this point less humid and a bit drier. Temperatures overall 80s. Then we take that drop off in the long term to almost September-like weather. This morning kind of feeling September-like, but by afternoon looks very August-like with those low 80s, 82 in Austin, 82 in Rochester, 84 in Winona. Bright sunshine, southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, mainly clear skies, a low of 57 with light south winds. And your 7-day forecast, isolated storms for the midweek, then a more widely spread rain chances Friday and Saturday, and then 70s early next week.
Looks like a great day, Ted.
Yeah, today is going to be terrific. Maybe the best day of the week.
Thank you.